Welcome to the channel. On this channel, we dive deep into the world of trash, from junk finds to hoarder houses.
And we're your hosts.
I'm Matt.
I'm Julio.
I'm JoJo, and we're your favorite trash talkers and business motivators.
On this channel, we're all about turning trash into cash. Every day in the junk world, it's like a modern day treasure hunt.
So if you want to get inspired, motivated, learn how to make some extra cash, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Now let's get this money. Now welcome back to the channel, all my hustlers and grinders and go-getters, the ones that wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, say I'm gonna get this money. It's Matt in the JoJo, and we're back with another one.
And in this video, we have some jobs on the list. You're gonna come along with us, and we're gonna start the morning off doing a hot tub.
And guess what today is, JoJo?
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday, and we gonna party like it's my birthday.
And get this money because it's my birthday. And just so you guys know, our big announcement was the Junk Expo. Check this out. Now, just so you guys know, there's some people out there trying to sell some fake tickets, so make sure you don't fall for the scammers. The only place you can get them is from me directly. So we're heading on out to the first job of the day, and yeah, it's a hot tub. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get this money. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is stop into Home Depot and grab some brand new Sawzall blades. And I'm gonna show you what kind we use. And they got a damn lock. What the hell, California? This is crazy. They just put this on here. This was never here before. Let's go find some bolt cutters. Now, the reason why that stuff was all locked up is because in the last 2 months, they had $25,000 worth of blades stolen, which is crazy, JoJo.
That is crazy. People steal everything these days. So we use the Diablo 12-inch carbide blade, and it works really well on hot tubs.
And I can cut up about 3 hot tubs with just one blade. So it's all about making life easy today. So we're gonna cut this thing like butter with these brand new blades, and I can't wait. I'm gonna have the Julio do the whole thing.
So we are at the first job of the day, and this person found us on Facebook, and we are cutting up a hot tub.
Now, the first thing you want to do before you ever cut up a hot tub is make sure the power is turned off. And how do you do that? You go to the breaker box, you find the switch that says hot tub, like right there. The switch is turned off, so we're good to go. Now, if you want to know how much money we make today, make sure you watch the video to the very end. So guess who lives next door?
1-800-GOT-JUNK lives right there.
What do you guys gotta think when they see our trucks?
Oh shit, chicken, yeah.
I guess we're gonna leave the Julio's car parked here all day. So this one, we're doing it 4 pieces and just 1 piece at a time because of that fence right there, the gate. That area was super small, so we had to take the gate off to get this thing out here. And I didn't want to have to cut this thing in like 15 pieces, so that's what we're doing.
Holy shit, this is a messy one.
Getting the money where today?
Safety first, make sure you always got protection. Wear those stunner shades. So rule number 5076, whenever you walk to the truck, never walk there empty-handed. And the JoJo walked back there empty-handed earlier.
No, I had the broom. Broom crew.
She's part of the BM, the broom crew, the bare minimum. Let's get it, Julio. So job is complete. The Julio's heading to the dumps and we'll be heading to the next job. And you know it's my birthday when the customer gives you cookies and also an ice cream. Yeah, that's pretty damn cool, huh?
That's great. So yeah, we are headed to Sebastopol and it's a full load. And if you are interested in learning how we price jobs, check out the video right up here or here. Somewhere up here will be a video that shows you how we price jobs.
And it's crazy how much my phone's been ringing off the hook. How many tickets have we sold this morning, JoJo?
We actually sold 7 tickets by 10 o'clock this morning.
That's crazy. So now we're heading to the next one and we'll meet the Julio there. And I gotta hurry up and eat my ice cream. It's almost melted, JoJo. Holy shit.
Yeah, it is. Those are one of my favorites because they're dipped in chocolate.
Here, you can have it then. Take it.
Oh, it's messy.
Take it.
I'm not eating it.
Come on now.
Okay.
So now we're heading on out.
So we are at the next job of the day, and this person found us on Google. They have a full load. Let's see what they got.
So we're at another one, and look at this. It's a bunch of stuff that we can donate because it's already boxed up. And you know what that means? We ain't gonna have much of a dump fee. Out here in Cali, we call that winning. Out here in Cali, we call that winning. Now here's another reason why I love the trash business. You never ever gotta buy firewood. You always come across firewood, tools, and cool stuff you can resell. And at this job, we got a bunch of firewood, and we got paid to take it. So check it out, we got a full load out of that house and also some firewood. And here's the tip of the day. Whenever you're moving something super heavy inside the house and they have nice floors, JoJo, what do you want to do?
Well, you can use cardboard or better yet, moving blankets. Make sure you put the blankets under the heavy thing that you're moving so that you don't scratch the floors, and you can just scoot it out very gently.
There was a treadmill inside the house. It was super heavy. We couldn't get it around the corner, so guess what we did? We put some cardboard down and slid that bad boy out. So that's the tip of the day. Always keep some cardboard with you or some moving blankets and you'll be golden.
So we're at the next job of the day, and these people found us on Facebook.
Now, if you're running Google ads but not utilizing Facebook, you're slipping because there's big money to be made off Facebook.
Check this out. This is my find of the day. Love it. We are at the last job of the day, and we have been here a few times this week. We got this job from a realtor, and we have done about 10 full loads at this job. And this is what we have left.
We ain't playing no games. We out here getting money in Sonoma County. This is load number 10, baby. We out here doing it, getting money. So we got one full load. Now it's time to switch trucks. Damn, Julio.
You worn out?
Worn the hell out. These Carhartt jeans, let me tell you, I got swamp ass for real. I'm gonna need some of that gold bond pretty soon. Seriously.
You need some gold bomb? I need some too now.
Swamp ass is real, huh?
Real.
It's been one hell of a week. And Julio, how much do you like working with us still?
10 out of 10, man. This ain't nothing.
I like that attitude. We've been working our asses off out here in Cali. It's been non-stop, go, 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 get money, get money. Well, just like that, we're done for the day. And JoJo, holy shit, we got a bunch more stuff in here now. What you got?
I have a TiVo, Christmas lights, a bunch of Drano.
Oh my goodness, what is this? A what?
It's a TiVo. It's a old thing that they use to, you know, get TV channels and stuff. And it's
The key word is old. That's probably outdated, JoJo. Ain't no one gonna want that.
Okay.
But you never know. Maybe we can sell it on eBay. So we're still on a mission to make $50,000 off stuff we find in the trash business before the year ends. That's why we keep bringing stuff back. And right now we're at like $10,500 and something dollars. And JoJo actually sold a little, what was that, little green stool thing, a little retro thing?
It is vintage, and I think they're so ugly, but anything that is green and vintage sells really fast on Facebook Marketplace. I put it up for like 30 bucks and I had like 10 people want it, and I'm thinking, that is the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
You know what that means, right? If you have 10 people hitting you up, you put it on for too cheap. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button, and make sure if you want to fly out to California, hit us up for some Junk Expo tickets. We only have so many left.
Yep, we have a limited space available, and I cannot believe how fast our tickets are going. So if you're interested, give Matt a call
At 707-889-9727, and I'll hook you up. And remember, me and the JoJo, we love all you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.